Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching you how you can create a text outline effect with Canva on your smartphone. Okay, so basically a text outline effect is this effect you're seeing here of this font, which is somehow on the man's face. In a way, it looks as though the man's head is immersed in the text, right? You can put, it's more like writing a text through an object and not blocking the object or not taking the text completely behind. All right, so if you're watching this video, check the description of this video or the pinned comment. You're going to see a link where you'll be able to access all the resources for this practical, all the resources we're using to demonstrate this outline text effect. Just click on the link to my Google Drive and you'll be brought here. Okay, so this is the flyer we're going to replicate using this text outline effect. It's very simple and straightforward. Check the resource folder. All you need to do is long press these three resources, right? When you long press it, click on the three dots over there. You would see an option, download. Okay, so click on download and you download all three to your gallery. Now you must understand that you can access Canva through different channels. The first is you can access Canva through the app, the mobile app. Secondly, you can access Canva through your web browser. And thirdly, you can access Canva on your laptop if you have. Okay, so I'm going to use Canva from my web browser today. All right, so assuming let me just open a fresh page. You know how to do all this, right? So assuming we have the fresh page, click on the plus button right here, go to uploads, click on upload files, go to device and files. I'm going to bring in all three elements I just downloaded: the man's image, the flower, and the background, the pattern. Click on select. Now you need to know that I already sourced out the images, the resources for you. The man's image is transparent background. The flower is also having transparent background. Okay, so while it's done, I can bring in the background, just fit it in here. The next I will do is I want to customize the background first. Okay, I will go ahead, click on the plus button here, go to elements, and I'll search for I think we should be using gradient. Just search for square gradient. All right, square gradient, and you allow Canva bring out the result for you. I think my network is a bit bad today, but I'm going to go with this very first gradient we're seeing. It has two colors. Okay, when I bring it in, just put it right here, expand the size, you would have something this way. I want to adjust the color. Okay, I want to change the color of this gradient. Or yeah, before I change the color, go to transparency and I want you to reduce it to 98. Yep, as we can see there. Or reduce it to 99. Yep, 99 is a good one. You can see that it's a bit visible here. Okay, so when this is out here, I want you next to click on the gradient you just added. This first color that is looking like sky blue, click on it, click on the plus button, and let's reconfigure this to the one we used. We're replicating, right? So the color code is D70235. So that's the color code. Come back here, click on the second color. We're going to customize it to give us FF1616. All right, so that is the two colors we'll be using right here. Okay, when that is done, awesome. So when that is done, the next thing I want you to do is to bring in the man's image. All right, click on the plus button, go to your uploads, bring in his image, just increase the size a little. So let's just be moderate in a way. Awesome. I think this is as good as it gets. Cool. So this is it. Next thing I want you to do is to bring in the flowers. So click on plus button, bring this in. You're going to place this here. Okay, increase the size a little. Place this here. go to your position, go backward, and then you can, all right, so this button right here is for copy, as you can see there. So click on it to copy, bring this over here, go to position and take it back. All right, so there we have it right there. The next thing I want you to do right now is to add the faded, let's add the font on that white background. All right, so click on this plus button over here, go to element, you would see your square. Okay, let's be patient so it loads completely. You would see your square. You can come here, add this square. I'm going to change the color, don't worry about the color for now. Go to your position, put it backward, change the color to white. Awesome. So that's what we've got over there. And when that is done, the next thing I want you to do is to click, okay, this exceeds the boundary. Okay, awesome. So you can take this here and a little bit more here. Go to your position, put it at the center, and there we've got it over there. All right, so click on the next thing is to add the text, study, learn, grow. We add it and we're done with this design. And then there is a fade. As you can see, it's not plain, it's right, it's not completely plain. We're also going to add that as we work on this progressively. Okay, awesome. So let's go there, click on the plus button, go to your text down there, add a text box, edit. All right, just add your font, study, go to your font. The font we're going to use is called Horizon, right? Search for Horizon and select it. Go over to your size, select size 360. That's the size we're going to be using. Go over to spacing and use -30 line spacing and minus 50 letter spacing rather. All right, we're going to be using -50 letter spacing, and then the line spacing will be 1.4. All right, when that is done, go over to your color, select this one that rhymes with the background a lot, and then okay, I think I've tempered with the spacing. All right, just the text spacing is -50, and there is what we've got over here. So I'll just make sure this is aligned to the center. Okay, you can go to position, and then so this is what we've got over here. If we just adjust this down a little. Good. Next thing is to duplicate this, bring it down, study, learn, and grow. The same size, gonna add learn, and then click on it, duplicate, bring it down, and this we're going to add grow, right? So learn, we're going to increase the size of learn. Now study, study, the size of study should be 360. That's correct. The size of learn should be 338. Good. So they have the same length. The size of grow should be 375. Awesome. There we've got what we're looking for. Nudge, take this up. So basically nudge it, and then what I need you to do now is just duplicate grow, bring it down. All right, bring it down, change the color to white, and then come over here, duplicate learn, bring it down, change the color to white. I'm going to show you how we're going to work around them to give us our desired endpoint. So take this one back, click on learn, take it back also. Awesome. So when you click on learn, we want to bring out the text outline effect. This is where we're going to apply the text outline effect. All you need to do is come over to effect. When you select the text, all right, select the effect, you're going to see holo here. click on holo, you're going to see that 3 mark for adjustment. So click on it and reduce the thickness to 1. Amazing. So there we got study, learn. Click on grow, do the same thing. Go over to effect, holo, adjust the thickness of the holo to 1, and you are good to go. You can just adjust it to the top and put it right there. So if you want, you can just go over, select the outline you just did, go over there and adjust the setting to 70 so it doesn't cover the detail of the man's face, but then it has to be there. Okay, that's awesome. Let's see if we reduce this background to 98 so we can see the background over there. All right, so this is what we've got over here, and we're almost done with this design. What's left now is for us to walk around adding this effect. It helps you to blend the image into your design. All right, so click on the plus button. We'll go over to element. I want you to search for transparent gradient. So if you're new to my channel, you're welcome. It's a delight to have you be here. If you're an existing subscriber, welcome back. For those who are new, do well to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you don't miss out on any update I'll be bringing your way in my next video and subsequent ones. All right, so for every one of you, new subscribers, old subscribers, do well to like this video so the algorithm can push it to others, and share to your friends so that they can also tap into this knowledge you're getting for free. Okay, so this is a transparent gradient. I want you to rotate it this way and then enlarge it to cover your design. You're going to change this blue color to black, and you're going to change the white color to red. All right, the dark shade of red is what we're going to change it to. So we have this here. I want you to copy it and put it over there too, and voila, this is what we've got. Exactly the same design in a few minutes. All right, so when you're done designing and you want to download, just click on the upload icon over there. You would see an option called download here. Click on download. If you are using Canva Pro, it means you can increase the size of your design. When you adjust that, you can make the background of your design transparent. When you adjust that, or you thick that, you can also compress the file to enable it have an appreciable size that will not get out of hand. All right, I'll just go ahead, click on this. I'll download only page 2 because that's just what I worked on today. Okay, so let me click only page 2, click on download. Voila, that's what we have, and that is how to create a text outline effect with Canva on your smartphone. Have you learned something in this video? Let me know in the comments. Are you having challenges creating amazing designs with Canva on your smartphone? That's all right. You can check the description for the link to register and become part of the social media design flyer class for $4 only. I'm going to show you basically all you need to do to create amazing and stunning social media designs with Canva and Pixel Lab on your smartphone. All right, so here's what we just designed. You see how amazing it is. It's simple, it's attention grabbing, and it's really superb that we did it with Canva in a couple of minutes. Okay, so try this out and reach out to me through any of the links in the comment section. Let me see the output of your own design and how you applied the outline text effect in Canva in your own design. All right, so I will see you in the next video.